How it started, how it's going. So now even trucks getting more love. When your parents are yelling at you and they pronounce a word wrong. Anytime I have to wait over 2 minutes at McDonald's drive-thru. Thanos was right. Accountant needed. £35,000 £40,000. There's no need for an accountant, the answer is minus £5,000. Therapist, the people in math problems aren't real, they can't hurt you. The people in math problems. An old hobby. Me finally having the time and money to make space for it in my life. You're as beautiful as the day I lost you. The most dangerous game to play, resting your eyes in the morning after shutting off your alarm. I was today years old when I saw this meme cat's real face. Daughter made an Uber note for dad that is still learning English. My daddy is my hero, he is learning your language, thank you for your patience. You are a cutie pie. Narrow scalding and irrational. My uncle, a little bird told me you're doing drugs. Me, you're talking with birds and I'm the one doing drugs? 4 horsemen of being bored in class. Stabbing eraser. Random doodles. Sleeping. Being on phones. Harry Potter film name generator. Type Harry Potter and then follow it with the suggested words in your phone. Harry Potter and the other employees. Yeah. I am wasting time. Time isn't real. People really had to get all their friends to help them move these 500-pound TVs into their house in the 90s just to watch Friends on it. Nobody cares about your Spotify. The fastest man alive. People who build the sets in Lego commercials. Today while I was walking outside I found a K-pop boy band nest. Literally name one thing that's better than a dog. 2 dogs. You right. Men honestly are something else. Do you have a paper clip? On the floor by my file cabinet. As long as you don't move our things we know where stuff is. These are called witches' stairs. Allegedly, witches can't climb up them. You'll occasionally find them in old New England homes. Me trying to get up the stairs drunk. Maybe I am a witch. Stressing because of not studying. Not studying because of stressing. Knows how to play fighting games. Just mashes buttons. This is how I'm trying to be. Me taking undeserved breaks in the name of self-care after doing the bare minimum. He'll study on my bed so I can rest my back. I hope this email finds you well. The email finding me. When you get one of those random shooting pains in your chest and think you're about to die. Teacher, the test isn't that difficult. The test, who is this? Actual footage of me trying to hold my life together. When the group chat lit and you gotta get your joke in before the subject change.